Hey guys, a few weeks ago, I showed you how to build a simple birdhouse, a birdhouse with no perch on it. Remember, birds don't need a perch. They can fly right into that hole, no problem. That perch, larger birds can land on it, stick their heads in it, damage the eggs, harm the hatchlings. Next thing you know, you got an empty birdhouse. Don't put a perch on it. They don't need it. A link is in the description of how to build that birdhouse. Simple, easy birdhouse build. Get your kids in the shop with you. This week, we're going to take it to another step and we're going to build a cardinal nesting box. I had a piece of cedar over in the corner I've got right here, a 1x8 piece of cedar, which is actually 7¼ inches wide. We're going to use that piece of cedar. I've already got it marked up for you. I'll show you those dimensions of how to build this nesting box for the cardinals. All right, let's run down this real quick. All right, what we've got, I've put two 45s at the top just for decoration on the back. Now that is our backboard. That's the back of the cardinal nesting box. It will be 14 inches by 7¼ 14 by 7¼ Our next piece is our bottom. The bottom of the cardinal nesting box is 5¾ by 7¼ Then we go to side number 1, 6 inches by 6 inches, 6 by 6, and we're going to rip this out right here. Side 2 is also 6 by 6, and we'll rip this side out. Now, as we slide on down, our front little stop, our little curb is 2¼ inches by 7¼ the width of our board. Our long roof is 6 inches by 7 inches. Again, we're going to rip this side out. And our short roof is 6 by 6¼ and we're going to rip this piece out. If you hear a fan running over there in the corner and you see me sweat, there's no worries. Southern Comfort Heating, Cooling, and Gas is coming to install me a new system. Listen, give them a call. Southern Comfort Heating and Cooling and Gas, their number's right there. They can install a new system in new construction. They can replace your system. They can service your equipment. They can install fireplaces, gas logs, whatever you need, they can do it. And I'm telling you, the owner, James Merritt, is bar none one of the best guys in town. They're in the Vander, North Carolina area. Now, what's even cooler is their slogan. It says, if sweet tea can't fix it, we can. I love that. James, come on, baby. I'm sweating in the shop. I need you to put this system in. Let's get it rolling. I appreciate it. Southern Comfort Heating, Cooling, and Gas. Give them a call.
Got a steady hand and a board to plane. Let the grain run wild like a country lane. Every pass of the blade feels honest and right, like a quiet prayer in the middle of life. In the shop where the shavings fall, that's where I find peace through it all. Turning rough cut boards into something strong, where a man and his maker can't get along. Some folks chase cheap, but take my advice. While it beats price every time in life with a sharp, clean cut.
All right, guys, you see here, I clamped this down. We have to put a 45 bevel on this for our roof to sit like this on the cardinal nesting box. I am not going to hold that short piece. You could have done it with a skill saw. You could have done it with your table saw. Several ways you could have done it, but I used a clamp and clamped this piece to it. Make sure you do that. Stay safe, trust your gut. All right, maybe 2 minutes worth of cuts. Be careful on your miter saw if that's what you're using. Clamp that stuff down so you don't hurt yourself. But that bevel cut is what we did right there, if you can see that. And that's going to allow our roof to set like that. Let me get it straight. It'll allow it to set like that. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera down there and we're going to glue it, nail it together. Titebond 3 because it's going outside, but I'm going to sand it down first to get all these marks off. Let's go.
Some days I walking with the weight of my chest, mind running circles, can't get no rest. Questions stacking higher than the boards on the wall, trying to hear something through it all. I flip on the lights, that familiar glow, same one path on this concrete floor. And before I even make that first cut line, I feel something shift inside. It ain't just the work, it ain't just the grind, there's something bigger meaning me.
That's all there is to it. Normally you wouldn't have all those marks to remove, but hey, we did it. Now let's put it together. Y'all ready? Let's get rolling. All right, we're ready to put it together. So I'm gonna take you down here and I'm gonna just walk you through it. That's the simplest way to do it. So that's what we're gonna end up with right there. But we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take, you see I put 2 dots here because that's my short piece, and I want this piece to sit on top like that. That way it'll create the same distance once I get it put together. But let's get it put together.
In the shop tonight, sawdust in the light, Armor Woodworks by mine. Got a board on the table and a blade running true, turning old scrap into something new. Ripping down frames about 2.5. Folks might see junk, but I just laugh. Little off cuts.
That's what we have so far. Now we're going to put the back on. You should end up pretty much flush. Sometimes you might have to sand it, but we're going to put some glue on this back edge right here. Some glue on both sides and at the bottom. So glue on 3 sides right here.
Some days I walking with the weight on my chest, mind running circles, can't get no rest. Questions stacking higher than the boards on the wall, trying to hear something through it all. I flip on the lights, that familiar glow, same one path on this concrete floor. And before I even make that first cut line, I feel something shift inside. It ain't just the work, it ain't just the grind, there's something bigger meeting me every time.
Get back up here, Michael Lee. Now, of course, I'm going to sand everything, so we'll get it good flush. So let's get it put together.
Loud and the pressure's high, and a man needs space just to clear his mind. I walk through that door where the sawdust drops, and the whole world slows in my little shop. Got a steady hand and a board to plane, let the grain run wild like a country lane. Every pass of the blade feels honest and right, like a quiet prayer in the middle of life. In the shop where the shavings fall, that's where I find peace through it all. Turning rough cut boards into something strong, where a man and his maker can get along. Some folks
All right, that's a simple build right there. Cardinal nesting box. You don't have to worry about being perfect. What you do need to do is get your kids in the shop with you. Make some memories. Your grandkids, your sons, your daughters. Get them in there and make some memories. Now look, this is a cedar nesting box for a cardinal. You don't have to seal it unless you want to. Cedar is naturally resistant to rot and insects, but it will turn gray over time. So if you want to preserve the color that you've got right there, put some sealer on it and it'll last a little bit longer at that shade of color you want. But I need y'all to give me that thumbs up. How about hitting that subscribe button? Goes a long way. We're over 4,300 subscribers right now, and I could use some more to make the channel grow, to help people out. Guys, I've got a huge reveal coming real soon. I need you to subscribe so you see what's coming. This is going to be a game changer for woodworkers. Absolute game changers. Hit that button, subscribe. James, hurry up, man. It's hot in here. I need some AC. Southern Comfort Heating, Cooling, and Gas, thank you for sponsoring this video. You guys, just remember one thing. Jesus loves you.